Okay, so when you're looking for the domain, you have to think about what your x can and cannot be, right? So when you're thinking about fractions, the fraction or the denominator is not allowed to equal 0. So what we're going to do is set everything on the bottom not equal to 0. So for this first one, we have 4 doesn't equal 0. That makes sense, right? 4 doesn't equal 0. So when you get something that does make sense, that's going to be all real numbers. So basically what this means is you can plug in any 2 and you'll get an answer back. You can plug in any number for x, and you'll always get an answer back, okay? Over here, we need to set the denominator not equal to 0. So we're going to have x plus 5 does not equal 0. And when we solve for x, because we're going on the opposite side of the equal sign, we need to subtract the 5. So we have x does not equal -5, okay? Over here, same thing. We have our x squared minus 9 does not equal 0. We're going on the opposite side of the equal sign, so we're going to have to add 9 to both sides. And we get x squared does not equal 9. And one of the big things to remember here is whenever you take the square root of a number, you always get a plus or minus, okay? So the square root of 9 is going to be plus or minus